Here at ADM Equipment Sales, we are the proud distributors of Royal drink beverage machines. Along with the Royal Vision 500, we also carry the Royal Merlin 4 650 round front machine and product view machine. Both machines are 10 selections. Product view shows the product in the front of the machine. The round front shows the products with the selection buttons going down the side of the machine. You'll notice that the button panel is 10 selections on the front. Opening up the machine, you'll see 12 columns inside the machine. That's set up like that so you can double up on two of your best-selling items. You can have two columns